If you are still using this method, please stop right now. Just update your Photoshop into 2025 version. First, make a copy of your background layer. Then go to Toolbar, right click and pick Remove Tool. Set the mode to Auto May use Generative AI for the best results. Now go to Find Distraction and click on Wires and Cables. Wait for few seconds. Now here is the magic. The wires are gone. Yes, there are some wires left, so don't worry, we will remove them by using Remove tool. Do it like this until we remove all of them. Okay, it's done. Here is the before and after. It looks fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video.